Vicky here with you, and I'm here camping, and it's raining today, and it's supposed to be raining quite a few days actually this week, which is very unfortunate. But today it was nice this morning up to noon, and then it started raining, and it's presently 4:45 and it's still raining, and I've been feeling really blah. I did take a long nap, which is something I never do, but with the rain and the noise of the rain and everything, it just felt like it was appropriate, and so you might hear some outside noise. I will be speeding up this video as well, because that's usually what I do when I do this type of thing. But yeah, so I figured let's do some diamond painting, because why not? It's one of those days, and I figured I would do this little guy first, because there's not a lot of colors, and it would be good so that it's not so overwhelming. And I just remembered I didn't bring my I didn't put out my washi tape, so I'm gonna have to reach out and find one just so I can close off my little bags. So yeah, I'll speed up the process. Hopefully you will be able to see properly. From what I see in the camera lens, you seem to be okay, and I'm sorry ahead of time if the video quality is not that great. Like I said, I'm camping, and I figured I would bring you along, just because sometimes, you know, other people like to go camping and you don't know what to bring as a craft. This is an easy little craft. It was in one of those little bags. It's from Newcraftday, sorry. And in the description box below, you'll find the link to this little guy, which is a wine bottle for Christmas, wine bottle bag for Christmas, which I thought was perfect. It's a great activity to do on a rainy day, and especially like camping if you don't want to bring a lot of supplies and things, and just having fun, and getting stuff done ready for Christmas, because Christmas will come soon enough. So see you soon. Okay, so I finished. It was it's not easy. The light was going down on me, and I'm hoping that you guys can see well, but from my angle it's gotten a lot darker, and I missed out on some of them. I'm kind of confused with this one. It called for a number 1, but it feels like maybe it shouldn't be there because it is white. I don't know. And there's no number here, and I wonder if it should go, like, there should be one that, but then again the number would show, so I guess I will just leave it the way it is. But so I was a bit confused, and this one, like I said, there's no number there, so I didn't put anything. But I've got one done, and I'm quite happy, because this way I've got stuff done and a gift started. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed. This is a good little activity to do when it's raining outside and nothing to do, and it doesn't take much room at all. So that was a good call on my part to bring this along. So love you guys, stay safe, see you soon, bye. And don't forget to go and check out in the description box below the link to Newcraftday, as well as the discount codes. Bye.